DieHard 71688 1150 peak amp 12V jump starter with USB12V portable power ports and 100 psi air compressor. 1150 peak amps for jump starting vehicles and large capacity battery charging with digital display. 2.1A USB power port to charge your phone, tablet or other portable devices, and 12V DC power outlets for up to 54 hours of charging. 100 psi air compressor with automatic tire gauge includes in-unit stored nozzles for sport balls, car and bike inflation. Features hookup safeguards for clamps that sound if improperly connected, automatic USB protection and battery maintaining to prevent overcharging. Includes 4-gauge, 24 cables with color-coded clamps, carrying handle and built-in flashlight. Delivers 400 watts of AC household power and 54 hours of 12V DC power from 2 power outlets. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.